Well, after a very wet weekend across the region, we're finally starting that process of drying out, at least for now. Sunny skies here across Valparaiso University, letting the ground begin its very slow process of drying out. We saw a very significant amount of rainfall this weekend. Look at some of these totals. They look more like snowstorm totals. Almost 9 inches closing in on it in Seneca, Illinois since Friday. Valparaiso over 8.5 inches. Many regions saw more than 6 inches of rain in a 48-hour period. That obviously created some flooding concerns, but seems to be the most significant rainfall maker of the season for us. Hot and muggy conditions continuing through at least today and tomorrow. Big changes are coming soon. We have a front that arrives midweek. We'll begin to cool down by late this week, feel much more like fall. In the meantime, we are really cranking up the heat. Valpo is 20 degrees warmer right now than it was at this time yesterday, 25 degrees in Cedar Rapids. So until this cool down arrives, we're going to be dealing with hot and muggy conditions, dew points near 70 degrees, an incredible amount of moisture to work with once again here across the area. Radar's quiet here in northwest Indiana. Only item of notice, some severe storms off to the north. That threat for severe weather tomorrow is also off to our north, mostly north of a line of Chicago to Kalamazoo. That's where most of the rainfall is going to be concentrated as well. As we time this out, watch this swath off to our north. Most of that seems to be occurring off to our north. Not to say we couldn't pick up on some rain. It won't take much to cause flooding issues. So you head through future temperatures. By tomorrow morning, most areas will see a low of around 70 degrees. So awfully warm way to start off your day for the first day of October. By tomorrow afternoon, we're dealing with low to mid 80s across the region here. That's a very humid 80s as well. For Wednesday morning, we'll still see that low temperature in the low 70s, but see this cooler air that'll begin to push its way into the region. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll really see those greens start to invade, and with that, less humid but less warm conditions. For tomorrow, we'll start off the day, most folks heading to class, 73. We'll get up to the mid to upper 80s in the afternoon, increasing clouds throughout the day, but most of the rain chance, at least for now, seems to be off to our north. Looking at temperatures right now, 89 degrees in Valpo, almost to 90, 88 in Gary, 85 at O'Hare, 88 in Kankakee. Awfully warm way to end our September. For your 7-day forecast, notice hot and muggy conditions continue tomorrow. The cool down really starts to begin Wednesday. Notice that high of 77 that'll likely occur in the morning as that front pushes through. Will cool down throughout the day. For Thursday, we're down to a high of 70, which notice is our low from the day before. Our high temperature on Friday, a mere 60 degrees, but with a few peaks of sunshine, it should be a beautiful way to usher in what will likely be our first full week of fall-like conditions.